Welcome to your warm-up for total body toning. First, I'd like to introduce you to my fitness buddies. I got Charisse, yay, and also Gabrielle. So are you ready for a warm-up? And let's begin. Taking a nice deep breath, bring in that oxygen and let it out. Good energy. Come on, bring it in. Inhale and exhale and release. And now slowly reach forward and open up the chest. Reach forward, getting the upper back muscles warmed up, your chest muscles, also your hips, thighs, and buttocks. Great warm up. Make sure you'll have your weights handy. We'll be using them throughout the workout. That's it. We're gonna tone, firm up, shape up, work the whole body, head to toe. Total body toning, strengthening and firming up. That's it. 2 more, and reach. Last one, and let's take it to the side. Hold it, reach, 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 full body reach. Love this stretch, my favorite one, it really reaches. And up and over to the other side. Lift up, really reach up and over, that's it. Excellent. Hold it there. And now hands on your thighs and shift your weight side to side. Get a little lower now. Shift your hips way back there. Feel the stretch in your inner thighs, your legs. We're gonna do lots of body spots from head to toe. We're gonna do legs and butt and thighs. We're gonna do abs, your back. We're gonna do arms and chest. We're gonna do it all. So warm it all up. Last one. Okay, can you do a nice flat back and stretch out your spine? Lengthen your back. Use your back for great posture. Now, tighten up the tushy and as you come up, squeeze the buttocks, squeeze the buttocks. That's it, that's it. Great, and let's turn to the side and stretch out through the legs. That's it. Stretch through the quads, also the hip flexors, nice and tall. Be proud, you're stretching, getting warmed up. And let's go to the other side. Stretch up and to the other side. Just hold it down there, that's it. Excellent stretch for those legs. Get ready, we're gonna firm it up. That's it. And now slowly stand up nice and tall. Stretch your arms behind you. Lift the chest high and strengthen and tone through the chest, but open it up through the clavicle area. Lift and tone. That's it. And now stretch the low spine by bringing your arms around and clasp them out in front. And now tuck under your hips, pelvic tilt in, stretching the low back. My favorite stretch for the low back. Woo, it feels so good. And slowly come all the way up. Inhale, up, and exhale, and relax your shoulders. Just circle them back, yes. We'll be working those shoulders and arms. That's it. Just relax the shoulders, relax the neck. That's it. And take a deep breath. Inhale, and exhale. Go get your weights, and we'll be right back.